Okay guys, so I got this RC remote control car from a scrapyard, and the engine is intact here, and the whole car is functioning. It's not jammed. I'm not sure if the engine is jammed, but its gears are moving. I believe it's not jammed from inside, but it's very dirty right now. So first I will try to remove the engine, and I will try to make it workable. So I will open the screw from the bottom mounts, the screw for the engine mount, and then we will remove this whole engine, and then we will figure out what can we do with this. Meanwhile, if we take a closer look at it, it has all the servo motors here. These servos are, oh yeah, this must be connected to the engine carburetor, and this is the receiver for the remote control car, and there is another servo here which might be used for this steering, and we have an on-off switch. And if we give a closer look at this receiver, it has the battery input, auxiliary, steering, throw. Also there must be a battery inside somewhere, so we will tear it apart and see what we find. Okay, so I removed this engine. It's a 15 FE Nitro Star engine, and first obviously I will gonna clean it. It was mounted over here. These are the screws for mounting the engine. These 4 screws, I open it here. So we'll try to fix it step by step. Engine is the most important component. I believe if I manage to start this engine, we can fix the whole car, because there are not many components in the RC car. The most important thing is this chassis, and this is fully metallic chassis here, and this chassis has nearly all the components intact. We have this gear system that moves the car. We have the steering system. Maybe what we have to do is we might have to remove this what is this receiver, and maybe we have to replace this receiver with the new one, with the new remote control. But first we have to fix the engine in order to proceed with this chassis. So we'll do some cleaning here. Okay, so I take out this engine and washed it with the petrol, but I figured out that it is still stuck. So now I'm going to open up the screws here. Sorry, my stand is broken a bit, so I have to hold the camera in one hand. So these 2 screws are open, this is loose. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is the thing. Maybe this is the piston here. Alright. Good thing is the screws are not jammed. I thought the screws would be jammed badly, but seems like okay. I'll record it again after reaching some kind of, after repairing it, or maybe showing. Okay, so I will record again after I disassemble few parts of it, and then I will show you guys. Okay, so since it is badly jammed, so this is how I'm gonna rotate it a bit. And see, the piston has gone down from here. Since it's gone down, now I will use some WD-40. Basically this is a de-rusting lubricant, so it will loosen it up a little bit, and hopefully this piston chamber which is stuck will get back to normal. Oh, it's too tight. So now it is loosened up a bit. As we can see inside, the piston is going up, and now it's going down, up and down, up and down. Alright, so okay. We will fix it later. Just don't break it.
I'm not breaking it. No, purple. No.
so I've loosened enough to like move it easily with my hand. You can see the piston here. Okay. Now it's just loosen enough. Oh, this vacuum, because of this vacuum I have to push harder, but this is how this works. So I hope we'll gonna be fixed. We will be able to fix it soon. Okay.